What's it like to be a lawyer? What are the standards and rules that I have to follow? I'm going to provide you with a brief look into my life as a lawyer, and that's the topic of this video. Well, hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flessas. I've been a lawyer for about 30 years now, and I like helping people. But before I begin, if you really like my videos, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing, because that helps others and me too. People call me with their problems every day. They range from bankruptcy, divorce, real estate, drunk driving defense, and a lot of other areas of the law. My job requires me to have good analytical skills and the ability to carefully listen so I understand the facts of a case. A lawyer has to be careful when analyzing a case with a client. Some people say that lawyers come off as abrasive and impatient, that they're jerks. Well, that's because when you listen to someone for the first time, some people go way beyond the facts. It becomes short story long. But regardless, lawyers have to be respectful and non-judgmental of their clients. Sometimes people call me with problems that can be solved on their own, and I tell them that, and sometimes I'll even tell them how to do it. Sometimes people call me with a case that has no merit or it's frivolous. They don't have the facts to support their case, and some of them get mad at me for telling them the truth. An experienced lawyer can quickly identify a case like that if the client's lying or leaving out facts that don't help them. Okay, so what is it like going to court? You have to dress properly and be silent while you're waiting. You have to show respect for the judge, of course. As a lawyer, you have to know the court rules, the evidentiary rules, and the law that governs your client's case. You have to properly address other people in court with respect and courtesy. And there's ethical rules that I have to follow. Here are a few cited by the American Bar Association. I have to be competent to handle a case. You can't take a case where you have no clue. You have to respect your client's decision on a case after counseling them on the pros and cons. I can't counsel a client to get involved or assist them in conduct that I know is criminal and fraudulent. I have to be diligent and prompt when handling a case. I can't sit on a case. If a lawyer doesn't have the time to represent a client, then you shouldn't take the case. And here's one that gets a lot of lawyers in trouble. They fail to communicate with their client. Yeah, there are lawyers out there that'll quickly take their client's money, then they take their time to get back to them. We have to keep clients informed of the status of their case. We have to explain the pros and cons of a case and the law that applies so a client makes a good decision. And we have to maintain confidentiality of our conversations with our clients. That's called attorney-client privilege. Do you know that you even have to maintain that confidentiality even when your client dies? We can't charge unreasonable fees or for bogus expenses. And there's so much more I could tell you, but I can't do it in one video because I'll put you guys all asleep. But one thing I can tell you is that lawyers serve a purpose in society that's very valuable. Well, I hope this gave you a good idea of my world. Remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'm attorney Robert Flessas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.